October 16th, 2019. My name's Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections. My OC number is 1698. This is the roof evaluation for this manufactured home here in Newport, Oregon. As with all the videos in this report, we request that you view this video as supplemental to the written version of the report to which this video has been attached. At the time of inspection, there were a number of reportable challenges with this roof's installation, and we'll do our best to detail those challenges here. An Oregon home inspection does not include a roof warranty, meaning we make no claims as to this roof's ability to keep water out of the ceiling voids and attic spaces for the living space below. There are companies which will offer insurance policies on roofs that were not installed by their company. Again, Oregon home inspectors are specifically forbidden from offering such services. The first challenge we'll identify, and it's everywhere on this manufactured home's gable-style roof, is that the pitch for this roof in most locations is well below the recommended level of 412 pitch, meaning that if this is a 012, meaning that there is zero drop over 12 inches, then this roof at most locations is looking at a pitch of 2 to 2.512, and in some areas we're seeing readings of 0.7512, meaning that we're losing less than an inch of elevation over 12 inches. Composition or asphalt style roof such as this is typically never installed below 412, with special exceptions and special variances allowed for by certain manufacturers. You can install down to 212. We see no signs that those sort of special precautions were taken with the installation of this roof. At the rear portion of the roof line, we've identified areas where there's standing water in the gutter line. That may seem like a fairly minor challenge, but over time, should water be allowed to stand in a gutter, then the water can work its way back and affect the soffit, gable, rafter tails, etc., all the framing areas behind the gutter line. We have an area of delamination and cupping here along the rear portion of the roof line. You can see, and actually in the written version of the inspection, you'll see a photograph of this. There's one long line, about 10 courses up, where there is significant cupping. This is, our guess would be that this is where the covered portion of the rear deck is meeting the main portion of the home. There's an area of cupping there where the roofing material is actually holding water. You can see that condition occurring here. We have vegetation touching the structure at the left-hand side of the roof, and we have caulking at multiple locations around all of the skylights along the roof line as well, indicating that there may have been a leak challenge in this roof's past. There will be a separate video and a separate evaluation to the detached garage shop. This has been Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections.